In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set the correct time and date on your Windows 11 PC. So you may find from time to time that the time and sometimes the date is incorrect on your computer. This usually happens when you first set up the PC, or perhaps you've done a factory reset. So to fix this problem is quite simple. So put your mouse cursor over the time and date in the bottom right hand corner. Then right click on your touchpad or your mouse and select the adjust date and time option. Then focus on the time zone option. So make sure the time zone is correct. If not, change it. So I'm going to choose the UK time zone. So the UK is under the Dublin, Edinburgh and Lisbon, London code. Click on that. And hopefully that should change the time, which it has. If not, you can also click on the sync now option. So click that, and again, that should hopefully sync the time and date. If none of those options work for you, you can also manually do it. So you need to disable the top option first of all. Once that's done, you can then choose this option. It says set the time, the date and time manually. So just click change. And then you can enter the date and the time manually and click change, and you should be good to go. So that's how you can do it. Thanks for watching.